Well, I'm going to finish off with the song I did up at the National Dialect Day. It was written by Malcolm Pinch, and it comes from the Clay area. And I like doing it up country because I think it's rude. It's called Grandfather's Gone Up Bottoms. That means grandfather has gone to the clay pit to pump it out. Father's on the incline waiting for a skip, but the winder's got a problem and she stays down the pit. Brother's in the Mikey, shovel in his hand. Me, I'm in a linny, cleaning out a pan. This is the chorus. And Grandpa's gone up bottoms, Grandpa's gone up bottoms, Grandpa's gone up bottoms to pump out. The shift captain checks his watch 'cause he's on the prowl. If he catch you doing nothing, he's sure to give you hell. The stent gang are busy shoveling sand and clay. Grandpa's got a shovel, but he don't lend a hand. And Grandpa's gone up bottoms, you can join in. Grandpa's gone up bottoms, Grandpa's gone up bottoms to pump out. The cattle boy is asleep, he's not doing what he should. The cribber fire has gone out and the pasties will be cold. The hose man is bored, washing sand, not clay. He turns it on the dozer to keep the boy awake. And Grandpa's gone up bottoms, Grandpa's gone up bottoms, Grandpa's gone up bottoms to pump out. Ooh. The engine house is silent, the pits are flooded now. They say they don't make money, but there's clay in the ground. But when I close my eyes on a dark winter's night, I can see those boiler fires in the dawn light. And Grandpa's gone up bottoms, Grandpa's gone up bottoms, Grandpa's gone up bottoms to pump out. Grandpa's gone up bottoms, Grandpa's gone up bottoms, Grandpa's gone up bottoms to pump out. Thank you.